Hide layer lines. First, import the part you want to. Apply fuzzy skin into Bambu Studio. Use Auto Arrange to place the model correctly on the build plate. Select the model and right-click on it. Choose Height Range Modifier to control print settings separately at different heights. Click on Add Height Range to add as many height ranges as you need. Here you can split the model by height and customize print settings for each height range. This is where I select the height range for the bottom layers. I'll keep the default settings for the lower section of the part. Then I choose the second section from the list. Now I want to add texture to the middle part of the model. You can find fuzzy skin in Process gives objects special mode. None allow paint. No fuzzy texture is applied, but painting fuzzy areas is allowed. Contour. Fuzzy texture is applied only to the outer contour of the model, contour and hole. Fuzzy texture is applied to the outer contour and internal holes. All walls. Fuzzy texture is applied to all vertical walls of the model. Disabled. Fuzzy texture is completely turned off. Fuzzy skin point distance usually works best between 0.6 to 1.0 millimeters. Smaller values equals finer texture, larger values equals rougher texture. Fuzzy skin thickness usually works best between 0.2 to 0.4 millimeters. Lower values are subtle, higher values are more aggressive. Now I select the topmost section from the list. Here, since this is the head of the model, I reduce the layer height for more detail. I avoid using fuzzy skin on the head because it would affect the quality and details. The model is ready, so we can send it to the printer. Here you can see the model printed without fuzzy and with fuzzy.